It's Ivy, and it's time for Dollar General's ad preview for the week of 1/11 to 1/17. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. You have the Coca-Cola, Sprite, and Fanta products there. 3 for $16. They gave us a $2 coupon. That's a DG. Hopefully, they give us a manufacturer. This is the big takeaway this week. 4 for $12 on the 6 packs of Dr. Pepper, Sunkist, Canada Dry, Cola, 7-Up, A&W. I will definitely be grabbing those. And then we have the 2 for $7 Chips Ahoy. Hopefully, Chips Ahoy is bad Nabisco. So hopefully that spend $9, get $3 off or go with that. And you could go to the dollar section and get the little $1 packs of Chips Ahoy. All right, Nabisco. Then they have the 2 for $7 Ritz. 3 for $6 on the Quaker Life or Captain Crunch. Check for a coupon. Captain Crunch usually give you a big coupon because they already made these $2. So that's a deal right there in itself. Then I would kind of skip over the coffee, especially if I did the $5 boxes of coffee last week, because $14 for a 24 count, that's very expensive. Now we're going to do save 5, get 3 off on any fabric care product. And they gave us a $3 DG coupon. So these two coupons will not match each other. They will not stack. Now, Dawn also gave us a $2 off on the Power Wash. Then you have the spend 15, save 3 on the brands of Snuggle, Persil, Purex, and a $2 digital coupon. Then we also have the $1 off on the Ajax, making that big Ajax $3, which I like to use that for hand wash. Get the one that's an antibacterial, guys. You can get 2 uses out of it. Now, we do have a buy 2, save $3. You have to buy this product and get a free Deloitte product. That's how you'll save the $3. But sometimes it is a manufacturer and DG coupon that will stack with that, okay? So now, whenever you see a deal like this go on, someone is going to try and match it. Now, they know Pepsi and Mountain Dew is probably one of the biggest sellers, so they're going to do 3 for $13. Then we have the Lay's 2 for $6 and the Doritos 2 for $7. I just don't feel like these are good deals on these right now, okay, guys? You got that $1.40 coupon is back on the Sparkle, so we could grab those. And then the 50 cent off on the Angel Sauce. I think it counts for that little bitty small Angel Sauce. And it does. There it is, $4.25. So we'll be paying $3.75 for this small 4-pack of Angel Sauce, which is a good deal. If you are new, that is a great stock up deal, okay? And then they have $8 off on the True Living products. Okay, 3 for $5 on the plates. $5 Clover Valley water 32-pack. Go to Walgreens. I am not a gatekeeper. Walgreens, right now they have 2 for $6. They might be having a better deal. I need to look at their ad, all right? Then we have buy 1 Classico, get the spaghetti sauce, the spaghetti for free. Then you have the buy 2 Taco Bell, and you'll get 1 free sauce. Okay, Nature Valley Mott, so 5 and 1, 2 for $6, gave us $1 off. So they are 2 for $5 with that $1 off. These protein shakes are 3 for $7. Now, I think this is a good deal right here for the I Can't Believe It's Not Butter. That's $3.50. And all of the pastas for Clover Valley and the tomato paste are $1 plus the spices. Then you have the 3 for $6 on the Progresso, which has been going around. The ramen noodles are $1.50 for that 5-pack. If you have kids that eat noodles a lot in your house, I would go to a big box store and get those. Now, these are back down to $1. The Kraft mac and cheeses, the singles are 4 for $10 on the Hot Pocket. So it seems like a great any day deal right now, guys, in this ad. Make sure you understand that as long as it's Dollar General's ad, you could do a early activation, which will start at Saturday, 7 p.m. All right, the DiGiorno stuffed pieces, $5. Then it's always going to be the candies coming up because every month we have something going on. And they're already getting you stacked up for Valentine's Day, all right? Now, right here. Now, you got to snag this, guys, on the first day when they put these coupons out. Because the Mucinex coupon, they gave me a $3 coupon. It didn't match the $4.25 anymore. The $4.65 one anymore after the, 2 days. And I want to experiment and see, yes. So that means It is not. It was supposed to work on the 425, but it's not working. That $3 coupon, they took it away and made it a $2 coupon, as you can see, inflation. Now we have the 4 for 2 on Irish Spring. This is another good one, but I think you need to wait for the coupon to come out. You cannot early activate that. That is an awesome deal right there. $4 off 2 of the Irish Spring or the soft soap. Then you have $1 off on the speed sticks and soft soap. We usually grab that one for $2.75, the speed stick. The $2 off on the Dove. Let me tell you guys, if you got this $2 digital, and if you go in the Christmas clearance section, the Dove body wash and deodorants, they're like $4. So that'd be an awesome deal if you could catch that. $2 off on the Colgate. So you're going to try this, $2.50. Save $2.50 off on one. Oh, okay. And that one started at $3.60. That's a good deal. $2 off on the Skintimate, which they took that $3 coupon away, I see. We have $1 on the Palmolive. They're talking about the one for $3.95. Hopefully it'll glitch for the one for $2.75. $4 off on the Airwick. Look at that, guys. Inflation. They took the $5 coupon away, and sometimes a $6 coupon gave us a $4 one. Then you still had that $3 off on the Advanced and Warmer and the Kit. Okay, they gave us a $2 digital on the Tide and Downy. More than likely, that is going to be a Dollar General coupon, which you probably will be, hopefully we'll get a manufacturer to go with it so we can stack. Gain has a $2 digital also. It's a $3 off on the Cascade. Now, the Mr. Clean Erasers gave us a $2 coupon. A $2.50 coupon off on the bathroom small spaces, making it $1. This guy smells so awesome. Especially if you really do have a small washroom, it really lights it up then. Then you got $3 off on Pampers, making them 2 for $19, and more cough medicines that I told you. It's flu season, guys. Please cover up. The mask back on if you want to. These are 3 for $5 for the Dr. Peppers, the 2 liters. Then you have the Takis 2 for $6. Buy one DiGiorno stuffed pizza, get one free. That is $5 over here. Hopefully that'll work and you'll get that one for free. So that's a good deal, actually. Then you got the $3 off on the big ties for $19. You have a $2 extra coupon, which is awesome for that one. Always stock up. We still got that $1.50 on the all. They gave us $1 off on the True Living bags, but remember last time they glitched on those little ones. Now this is the Healthy 2 for $10.50. I see early activations in here for a lot of things, guys. So you can do the early activations, all right? Now, this is $5 off on the Swiffer mop kit that started $15. Do that on a Saturday and you get a double good savings. This, as always, the pets is save, spend $40, save $8. Then over here you have some instant. Spend $9 and you'll save $3. Nabisco, look at that. They went up to 2 for $10.50 though. $1 off on the wireless drinks, save $1 instantly on that. Spend $6, save $1. The Drano, spend $10, save $3. And then on the Scott Tissue, spend for $20, get $4 off. So you can buy 2 of these and you get $4 off. And that's a good deal because it's 2 big, giant 18-pack. And then you have the auto parts stuff. So yes, guys, this is an awesome deal this week. So Dollar General ad preview. But remember, we do have those coupons that came in the mail. And I'm going to do a separate video for those because I think that you should know some awesome places you could use them at. All right. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share Ivy's Coupon Camp because we don't gatekeep. Bye.